Alright, so next up is a stick shift LT1 SS Camaro. Yeah, bone stock. Needs a little detail under here, but pretty nice car. As you can see, stick shift LT1. I think it's here for heads cam. Should pick up a ton of power, but we'll see what this baseline says. I think I'm gonna go with something's telling me 422. We'll see what Kyle thinks. What's your guess on this thing? I said 422. It might be crazy high.
I'm gonna go 410.
410. .408. I guess I wasn't crazy off.
The second one.
Yeah. Alright, so Matt finished up that C7. He's on the dyno right now. Grabbed his next project, this white 6th Gen SS. Back to a Camaro now. Had a nice little break. What's going on with this thing?
Thing's got more lights on it than a McDonald's drive-thru.
Nice. Not good. Just getting heads cam or?
Yeah.
Heads cam, full exhaust.
Flash this car.
We're gonna get you a sick sponsorship for a headlamp.
You are the sponsorship king.
Yeah.
If anybody can do it, I got faith.
Gotta send this man
I can get one of the good brands.
a nice legit LED headlamp.
No 4-head light bar.
Yep. Things are awesome though.
I'll tell you what, I bought that 2-pack on Amazon for like $20, literally $20. Kyle's been wearing his every day. I wear mine every day at home. Things are incredible.
They are.
My band's getting a little stretched out.
Yeah, it tends to happen.
You get a little hot and you wear it for a prolonged amount of time.
Yeah.
That sucks, but it's kind of unavoidable, I feel like.
Kyle's just got a hot head.
Hot head.
He's a hot head.
Yeah, we've all been there. Damn, that whole thing dropped. Getting ready to drop the oil pan on this LT1.
Why is there so much oil in this engine?
Matt over here knocking this thing out. Got the Frankenstein heads, the headers on, valve covers, everything. Might get a start up today, you think?
No, it won't start today, but it'll be done today.
Be done today.
Brandon's got his laptop, so there's nothing I can do about flashing it.
Yeah, can't flash it, that's right. So all you got left is MSD.
MSD, put the radiator off the front end back together and do the full exhaust.
That's right.
I gotta make the do a little bit of modification to the American Racing X pipe to make it work with the Corsa mufflers.
Is that what he has in here?
What you're getting.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say I thought it was factory, but so we know this thing's gonna sound killer.
Yeah, that's where you're going with. Who gives a shit?
Gotcha.
Alright, might be ready for this supercharger here soon.
What, supercharger? Let's go get it.
Be my guest, bud.
Well, it's a two-person job.
Yeah, no kidding.
There's the dollies up there.
Looking good. Getting ready for that Corsa box. Alright, Matt's back from vacation. Got this Corsa on there. Looking good. Got the new exhaust. Got the headers, heads cam. This thing's ready for a flash. And Dyno. Sounding good. A little smoky from the new exhaust.
'18 Camaro. I don't know if this thing was stock or not when it got here. You guys will already know at this point. I do not know. But at baseline 408 and 430. Can you take boost off there? It got a full stage 4, so full heads cam package, 2-inch American Racing headers with cats, valved Corsa, a rotofab, MSD intake, Nick Williams 103. And that's it. This is 93 only, manual transmission.
12.5.
Yeah, 12.5, yeah. Let's see what she's got. I don't know if this is warmed up yet, but figured it warmed up, then putting it on the dyno. Okay, I had to fix a little wideband real quick. obviously it was a short pull. 449, 441. .542, 457 torque. .569, 468 torque. Getting there. So then I take that back. It won't make 600 on E because it's not getting E. But if it were to get E, it would probably make around 600. .571, 570 torque. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. We'll be back. All right, let this thing sit for like half hour or so. Do a little final pull. See what we got. Picked up good. It's up like 160 horsepower, which is pretty damn solid NA. .574, I don't know if I tell you what it made. .574, 475. Exactly the same. Give that a click. Okay. 574, 475, final numbers. That's a pretty stout gain, NA. They should definitely be happy with that. And that's it. Subscribe, please, comment, anything. Bye.